In this video, guys, I will show you how to use Gemini CLI in VS Code. So friends, go to the extension option and search for Gemini CLI. This one, guys, you can see here this result. Just click and start, guys, this option. From here, guys, if you want to use this trust publisher for Google, click install. So guys, just wait, and then you have this is requirement VS Code. You should be have this version 1.99. and Gemini CLI is installed. After that, click launch from here, guys, and then you can use this Gemini as you can see here on your PC, and this system is recognized name, and this is how you can use. You can add this is code from here. You have outputs and problems. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps, and you can run the command by enter your Shift Control P, and then you can write your you can start writing, you use this extension. Thanks for watching this video.